Miss Mackenzie.
And I'm Miss
Kelsie.
I go by Miss Jane, but either one works, whoever's watching.
So we're old friends and we don't get to see each other very often, and because we are able to see each other today, we decided to make a little gesture phrase that you can do at home and you can do with your parents, and it's all going to be done from your couch.
Exactly, so it's really easy. You don't need to be able to point your toes. You don't have to get your leg up high. It's none of that. So it's going to be really fun.
We decided to do this song every time we touch because we thought it was kind of punny for, you know,
because we can't touch
the world that we're in right now. So we're gonna
elbow taps.
We're gonna teach you how to do it. Okay, let's go.
So we start here, hands on our knees. The very first thing, your right shoulder is going to pull back, and your fingertips are going to go back with it like this, like that, and your head kind of goes up, and then you're going to bring it down. Okay.
Good. Then from here, you're going to do a little twist with your wrists. They're going to go out, and then they're going to touch your head. Your elbows are going to be wide. And when you sit up, your elbows are going to point forward.
Yes. From here, you're going to take your right arm. Your right arm is always going to go first in this sequence today. So you're going to take your right arm, do a little shampoo, and then your left arm shampoos. And then from here, you're going to lean down, and your arms are going to throw backwards. Okay?
Let's try that a little bit faster.
Okay, sounds good.
So, we go. Every time we
no, that's the wrong lyrics.
Those are the wrong
it's
lyrics.
Fine.
I know the lyrics. It's fine.
Here, ha, ha, flew. Great. Moving on.
From here, you're going to put your hands down on the couch, and then you're going to sit up. Easy.
And then I believe it says next to me in the song, so you're just going to lean over to the side like you're falling asleep. Okay.
Good. From here, we're going to do a little rond de jambe with our right leg
to make us sit up.
Then we go right, left again. Right hand on your knee, left hand on your knee.
And then on the word touch, your fingertips are going to come together at the front with your arms still crossed. Your left arm is going to be over your right arm. Okay?
So then we're going to open our hands up. Whoop.
And then close them. And then you're going to go ahead and unravel your arms right here as if you were giving somebody a present.
Cute.
Very cute.
From the beginning?
Yeah, let's do that.
Great.
Do you want me to sing?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I clearly don't know the words.
Okay, so here we go. I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dreams. Great.
Cool. So now you're going to touch the couch again. 4, and then you're going to push your booty up off the couch. You're going to look back, give, and then booty back down on the couch.
And your head goes down with that.
Shoulders then go right, left to pick you up. Right, left.
And I believe the word there is weakness.
Yes.
So my weakness.
Then we go, but I.
There's like a little like King Tut moment. And then it says, don't know why, and you're going to transition your body into the thinker pose, if you know that statue. Don't know why. And you have some time right there. Just watch our video to really see the timing for it. From here, you're going to grab with your left hand, and then you pull it up and look at it.
Without, and then you're going to throw your arms and your leg forward on you, down, and then you're going to roll up on the lyrics, it's hard to survive.
Great, and it's a nice, really elongated moment there.
Yeah.
So from here, basically you're going to punch and party because it's where the music really picks up. So we go, cause every time we touch. So you have to hit this picture on touch, and then you're going to lower it down and just really feel your own vibe here for get this feeling, okay? Then it says, every time we blow a kiss. Great, are we good till there? Wonderful. View change. So, we just said every time we kiss, and I said you're going to push yourself up and stand up. I swear I can fly, and you're going to look like you're looking like at an airplane. Woo! Words are hard.
Then on the words, can't you feel, your head is going to go down and center, can't you feel?
2 chest pumps, heart, beat, and then you sit down, your arms go out straight, fast.
Then we cross our arms again, right, left, I want this to last.
And then, if you're me, you're gonna stay low on the couch, and if you're Mackenzie,
you're going to go high. So we switch spots. Those lyrics are, I need you by my side. We do it, the chorus again.
From da 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 touch, da 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 da, and every time we kiss, da 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 sky. Can't you feel my heartbeat? So I can't let you go. Okay, and then right here, the one little trick. If you were me, you're gonna stay low on the couch,
and if you were me, you're gonna stay high.
So you just reverse what you did before, and then you look at your friend,
and then you can party because you did it. Yay!
Okay. If it's just you doing this, then just pick a side.
And
or grab your mom.
Grab your mom, teach her apart. And then check out our video of the whole thing. Do it with us. Send us a video of you guys doing it. We want to see your little gesture phrase.
Yes! Add on to it if you want to. Have fun. Have a good time. Keep dancing.
Keep dancing. Bye.